Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we've got this gorgeous 69 HT GTS 354 speed in platinum metallic. It's a late 69, September 69 car, so just pre-Bathurst. All original running gear. It's got its motor, the correct Saginaw. It's got the 10-bolt rear. It's a fully restored car, but retains a lot of its original trims, original bumpers, moulds. It's got a new old stock interior. However, the original trims, seat facings have all been retained and come with the car. Under the bonnet, it's just perfect. Tags are unremoved. All checked out with Holden Historic Services, and it's a delightful car. You can see how straight it is, and fully restored underneath. There'll be detailed pictures on the website that you can scroll through, and pictures of all the tags. And what I might do, I'll get Chris to start it up, so I just sort of manoeuvre around this way. Yeah, so a classic Monaro. There we go. Just get it in the light here. Plenty of light. This is a classic colour. You know, one of the favourite colours for these. And there she is. So. The car's on our website for sale, and about 100 detailed photos. Thanks for watching. Give us a call if we can help you on it. Thanks very much.